To create a budget in Credit Karma, start by accessing the Credit Karma Budget Calculator, which can be found on the Credit Karma website under the Money or Tools section, often labeled as Budget Calculator or a similar option. Once you've located it, input your financial information, including your income, such as monthly income after taxes and expenses, which can be divided into fixed and variable expenses. Additionally, specify your savings goals, such as how much you'd like to save each month, or particular goals like building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or making a down payment. After filling in your information, review and adjust the results. The calculator will provide an estimated monthly budget based on your inputs, allowing you to make adjustments and identify areas where you can cut back on spending or increase your income. By analyzing the results, you can refine your budget to better suit your financial needs.